Contractors, are you still relying on word of mouth or some pics on your Facebook page to try and get new customers? How many more customers do you think you could get with a nice professional looking website showcasing your work, your reviews, your ties to the community, etc.? Because let's face it, not having a website today looks like operating out of a windowless creeper van with free estimates spray painted across the side. Now before you say, I can't afford a website, hear me out. My name's John Elder. I run 5Dog Digital Marketing, which is a highly rated North Bay marketing business with years of experience and many happy clients. And I've been thinking a lot recently about how we can make digital marketing more accessible to small businesses like yours. And it occurred to me, most jobs you work go in phases: foundation, framing, then plumbing, electrical, etc. So to put this in terms of a web build, we want to offer you a great deal on getting a solid foundation set up. Something you can show your customers right away, add a little here and there as you go, continue building onto it, just like any phased project. And no, this is not a cheesy template built on Weebly, Duda, or Square. I'm talking custom WordPress website built to your specs, fully optimized for SEO, all content included. And I want to make this deal so sweet it will put you in a diabetic coma. So act now. We won't be running this deal for long. My web designer is going to kill me when he sees this. So click the link below and grab yours today before we're all full.